Hi, this is Amy come from Chartino. Today I answer some customers' questions. See here. And this is kind of texture from the naturally rice paper we call Mulberry paper. Even printed Mulberry paper also have those kind of fiber texture. And this texture is a natural one. And because mulberry paper is type of a handmade paper made from the inner bark in the mulberry tree. And so you can take a look at this short video. And this video show you how they handmade this paper. They gather all the mulberry trees branches and tear off that skin and gather together. And then they soak it a few days with lime. And the lime can make the paper, make the tree branches, clarified, purified, and also make this, make the fiber kind of very tough and resistant to tear. So they're very durable and high tensile. And they are just cooked, use hot water, cooked, and make sure all the stuff is soft enough. And after that, they are take out and clean many times. After clean, actually, when they're clean, the paper, the skin start to become a very inside the fibers start become very white. It's not really purely white. It's kind of a little bit like a rice color. So when they come out after dry, they look like a rice color. So many people just directly call them rice paper. So don't misunderstanding this. Rice paper is they have another kind of paper as a food called rice paper. That can do the spring roll. That's one. It's not totally not that one. Okay, this one is just because the color. So see, once they start to clean filter this paper, you can see they have a dot. And when they're dry, definitely they have a fiber texture on it. So it's handmade paper. So if they answer your question, if anyone interested about this, you can go to my website to get the paper, try its experiment. And my website is chartino.com. I will post a link down to the this video. And if you are interested about all the papers, crafts, and arts, all kind of stuff, you can subscribe my channel. And I encourage me to do more. If you have a question, also welcome to email me or message me. Thank you.